3 packs of stainless steel double-edge MERKUR razor blades which can be used with a wide variety of safety razors. Imported from Solingen, Germany. Total of 30 blades included. The closest shave without multi-blade skin irritation. Durable and precise. Replace your dull blades with these premium, durable blades from MERKUR. MERKUR Detailing Razor blades designed for mustache and beard care. Each individual package is sealed and contains 10 blades. Each blade is individually wax paper wrapped. Works with MERKUR Detailing Razor. MERKUR Stainless-Steel Super-Platinum double-edge razor blades. Each individual package is sealed and contains 10 blades. Each blade is individually wax paper wrapped. Works with MERKUR and standard double-edge safety razors. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. I still am using these razors. They have worked very well and am able to live closer to a plastic-free lifestyle, for much cheaper than Gillette or other disposable razors. I have been told I'm like my parents' grandparents, and in this case, even if they think it's weird today, I think it's a good sign to see.